Yo, so in this video I will be showing you how you can get unlimited coins for the TikTok with the TikTok Mode APK. So this is the TikTok Plus Plus Mode APK, which I have installed on my iPhone right here, but this method is also working for any Android devices. So if you have an Android device, then don't worry, because this should be also working for you. So if you want to know how to get unlimited coins, then watch this video till the end and you will learn all the process to get it for your Android or iOS devices. So how this mod works, I've got a lot of coins already, but if I need to add more, I need to click on right here on the recharge, and when I click on any of those packs, it will be automatically added for my coin balance. So let's try it. I hope you can see it, because the mode is working just great and I can get unlimited coins for the TikTok within few seconds. So I've got this mode from the twigcake.com. So if you want to get it for your device, then go to your browser and go to this twigcake.com and find here the TikTok Plus Plus unlimited coins. Works on Android and iOS devices. So if it's signed or not revoked, it should be signed and green right here. Click on here and click the start install button. It will start the downloading process for your device of the TikTok Plus Plus Mode APK. But I don't need to download it again because I already have it on my device. But if you guys have any troubles with downloading, you can also check the how to install video tutorial, which is right here, and you will be able to get any app or game from this list. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this short video tutorial of getting coins for the TikTok Plus Plus. And yeah, enjoy unlimited coins and bye.